Hi, it's Dr. Nikki at All American Medical Supply, and today we're going to unbox a Rollator walker. You may have recently received this by UPS or FedEx Ground, so let's take the time to unbox it and put it together for you. Find a spot in your home where you have some space to assemble, preferably a ground where you won't scratch your Rollator. So I've put a mat down just to protect our floor. All right, take your safety cutter and let's open up the box. This is what it's going to look like once you open it up. Now, tilt the box to the side. Reach in and grab the frame, anywhere where you see the actual frame of the Rollator, usually right between here. Tilt the box to the side and go ahead and pull out. All right, I'm going to put the Rollator on the ground. I'm going to remove some excess packaging. I'm going to find the bolts. They're usually in a little plastic bag. If they don't fall out, they can be also in the basket. Save these, you'll need them. Next, you've got your backrest. Put that aside. Okay, let's put it up on its wheels. Let's lift up the seat and spread the frame. Push down in the center. I'm going to rotate this around. So I'm going to see the label of the McKesson. It's going to go on the outside, and I'm just going to drop it into this little hole where the armrests go. To adjust the handle height, it's going to go basically at the back of the wrist when standing next to the Rollator. That's just about right for me. The hexagon is going to match up and put it in from the inside and out. It should be flush. Grab the little stopper spacer, place it like so. Now pull the bolt on one side and then start to turn the knob. As you tighten it, this becomes more flush. Now there's no wiggle in the handle. Let's do it again. Oh, looks like I put one side lower. Easy to adjust. Push the bolt out, pull it out, move up to the next available slot, put the bolt back. Ooh, that's much better. Squeeze to engage the brake so that you can slow down or come to a stop. Engage the brake lock by pressing down. To release the brake to go again, give it a quick squeeze upward, and you're ready to go. Make sure that you have your hands on the handles and look where you want to go, not down at your feet. All right, it's time to take your Rollator on a journey or put it away for storage. First, lift the seat up, reach in and grab the handle and pull it up to fold. You can now put this in your vehicle by simply grabbing it close to your center of your body and placing it in the trunk or the back seat. Once you're done and you need to use it again, place the wheels on the ground, press the center bar and put the seat down. You're ready to go again. Thanks so much for choosing All American Medical Supply for your Rollator. Make sure to store your warranty and usage card somewhere safe after reading it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Be well.